Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Our today video is about very amazing and stunning short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyles design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest fashion trends. If you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Dear viewers, short pixie bob haircuts are very stylish and very trendy nowadays. You should must choose a stylish and gorgeous haircut according to your face posture that suits on your face cut. A beautiful haircut and hairstyle enhance your personality and make you look perfect and confident. So viewers, please choose a stylish haircut according to your face cut that suits on your face posture so that you can look stunning and confident. Older age women should must try this type of beautiful short pixie bob haircuts to change their outlook and to look refreshing and youthful. Dear viewers, in this video you can also see very different types of hair dye ideas. You can choose a beautiful hair dye color for yourself to look beautiful. So viewers, take care and keep visiting my channel for more updates. I will get you soon with latest content of women fashion and style. Till then, stay connected and keep visiting my channel for more updates.